India's newest satirical political outfit, the Cockroach Janata Party, has created a massive buzz on social media. The meme-driven political movement crossed 10.9 million followers on Instagram on May 21st, within just 4 days of launch, overtaking the BJP's 8.7 million followers on the platform. Congress continues to lead with around 13.3 million followers. The party celebrated the milestone by stating that the youth should never be underestimated. Founder Abhijit Dipke also appeared to take a dig at the BJP's world's largest party claim through a post on X. The movement began after controversial remarks made by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant comparing unemployed youth to cockroaches and parasites sparked outrage online. What started as satire soon turned into a viral political campaign. The Cockroach Janata Party describes itself as the voice of the lazy and unemployed. Through humor and memes, it raises issues linked to unemployment, political privilege, media misinformation, and electoral reforms. Its online manifesto includes demands such as action against deletion of valid votes, banning defective legislators from elections, greater representation for women, and stopping post-retirement Rajya Sabha positions for Chief Justices. The movement has gained strong traction among young social media users. Even leaders like Mahua Moitra and Kriti Azad interacted with the campaign online. Dipke is a political communications strategist from Pune and is currently pursuing a master's degree in public relations at Boston University in the United States.